Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ABCCF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious or rub salt in the wounds or anything, but the bears took a pretty big bite out of this chart today. So want to get some things updated here from both a support and resistance standpoint. First, we'll start with areas of support. And support here is pretty straightforward, as you know, the bulls made it pretty apparent where they decided to step in and say, all right, bears, you're not making any more progress. And that's right here at $1.33. Price was just falling, getting beat up. And then right here, like I said, not only did the price stop from that point at $1.33, but then after the price, found enough support there, a nice little miniature bounce did indeed happen. Now, the bounce is apparently kind of falling apart as, the day wore on. But the point being, there were enough buyers there to not only stop the price from bleeding, but also create some sort of bounce. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, that's kind of where this bounce here ended. Where did the party essentially stop after the price had started to, head back upwards? And that is right up here at $1.48. Let's just call it $1.50 to make it a little easier to remember. So $1.50 is going to be that near-term level of resistance. Again, just for the simple reason, that's where the party stopped after the price had started to bounce from $1.33. Now, as it stands right now, more of the kind of, I think, most important level is this level of support right here at the $1.33 mark, for the simple reason that with the price now starting to head back upwards, the big question going into tomorrow now is, is $1.33 going to get tested again? And if so, is it going to hold? I mean, if it holds, then hey, you know what? You might have some sort of double bottom pattern here. But in the event the price crashes through it, well, then at that point in time, as far as, is this any sort of stabilization right here? We would have our answer at that point. And that's why I love charts, because they really kind of insult your intelligence. Because when you stop and think about it, okay, well, if the price breaks through $1.33, then of course it's not a stabilization point, because the price is no longer going sideways. It's literally going even lower. Exactly. And like I said, that's why I love charts. It really they insult your intelligence when you look at them the right way. So is this some sort of bottom? Is the price stabilizing? Well, let's see if the price can hold above $1.33. In the event the price does try to turn back around, that first hurdle that's going to need to be cleared is right up there at $1.50. So let's see what happens. Still 3 days left this week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.